On the house right now, we currently have small leaf guard. Had it for quite a while. Sounds like it's worked quite well over the years, but it's definitely been hit by some big hail. We can see dents like this right here. A pretty significant dent there in the cover, and what happens when the leaf guard gets into a condition like that is the water no longer will adhere to the cover in that section. So rather than running over and into the gutter, it actually just spews right over the top, creating an area where you have water dripping down below, potentially causing problems and not really allowing the gutter to do its job. We can see this run on the back of the house was absolutely peppered by hail as well. Dented up that cover, doesn't look great, and definitely performance is going to be negatively impacted too. But put together a great solution for you. I'm excited to show you what I've got for you.